riding on the 3328 on the Nova bus here on the 66B, and it's made a very interesting kind of loud sound. The driver that actually pulled in, she sort of partially missed the curb, and when we got on, she apologized, which was kind of nice. I haven't seen this driver before, and when she picked this up, she was actually in the 66A bay, bus bay. Anyway, and now when we're leaving, the bus is making some interesting sounds on the Nova, so I'm going to remove the microphone here, allow you guys to hear the sound, and if you know what it is, kindly share with our viewing audience. And I will now remove it so you guys can hear. And thank you for watching. Oh, it is, let's see, what day is it today? It is Friday the 10th of February 2023 at 1:21 p.m. And we are currently at the corner of Bloor Street West and Prince Edward Drive in Etobicoke, heading to South Etobicoke. There's the sound.